Hi everyone, this is Chris, and I'm a volunteer at the Hampstead branch of Pender County Public Library. Today we're going to do a fun mirror experiment and learn the truth about mirrors. Make sure you have permission from parent or guardian to do this, and adult help and supervision as needed. Okay, let's get started. First you're going to need some blank sheets of paper. I have 5 blank sheets of paper. You're going to need a clear sheet of paper, and here I just have one of those little filers that goes into binders. This works too. You can have a clipboard if you want. It makes it a little bit easier. You're going to want Sharpie or a marker, and then you're going to want some tape, and of course a mirror. And I just have this mirror over here, but you can also use a bathroom mirror, which is perfectly fine. Okay, so first I want you to take blank sheets of paper, and I want you to write in Sharpie left and right on them. Right here in front of me, I have them prepared, left and right. And then you're going to put a piece of tape on these, and we're going to tape them to the mirror. So you're going to look at the mirror, and I want you to tape it on the left side of the mirror and the right side of the mirror. So, there we go, left and right. So, as you notice, when you're staring at a reflection, if you point left in real life, the mirror also points left. But if you point right, the mirror also points right. So, pretty interesting, right? It's not like the mirror reverses left and right almost, because the reflection's still pointing to left and the reflection's still pointing right. Now we're going to find out something interesting. I want you to write on the other 2 blank sheets of paper. You're going to put one that says towards and draw an arrow going up. So I'll do another demonstration right here. Towards. And this is just meaning like towards the mirror. So we're going to put that down on the ground. That points towards the mirror. Just like that. This says towards. And then we're going to put one that says away. And we're going to draw an arrow going down, away. So towards and away. We have 2 different sheets of paper. One points towards and one points away. And now I want you to pay attention to those sheets of paper when we do this next thing with our reflection. So, when I point towards the mirror, my reflection is pointing away from the mirror. Points back at me. And when I point away from the mirror, my reflection points in the direction of towards. Pretty weird, huh? Well, now we're going to try it with letters. And this is where you notice that for some reason it looks like the mirror versus left and right. So we're going to take, I just drew letter F. You can draw any letter you want on a blank sheet of white paper. And we're going to hold this towards the mirror. So if you see, it looks like the F is reversed, right? So it looks like the mirror is flipping left and right. Now, what I want you to do is draw the same letter on the transparent piece of paper. I drew the letter F again here. And now I want you to look at that with the F facing towards you in the correct direction, or the letter facing towards you in the correct direction. I want you to hold it up to the mirror. If you notice, the reflection in the mirror, it's the correct way. It's not a backwards F, it's a forwards F. Pretty interesting, right? Well, this is because of something that mirrors do, which is reflect back and towards us. So, when we point it towards the mirror reflects back. So, when we have this letter, it's reflecting this back part towards us and reflecting it back at us. So it really is just reversing front and back, not left and right. And that's why when we hold the sheet of paper to it, if you can see with a Sharpie, you can kind of see the F shape, the backwards F shape in the back of the paper, right? And that's what we see when we hold it up to the mirror, because the mirror is reversing the normal F backwards. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for joining me today. Stay safe. And this experiment came from exploratorium.edu. Thank you. Bye-bye.